there, welcome back to Harvesting Heritage. I'm Channing and we are continuing the dirty jobs for this Saturday. I just completed way back there cleaning out the coop and giving a fresh slate to the chickens. This fountain needs some help. It has been about 6 weeks since I last did a algicide in it, and the pump has gotten full of debris and algae, and so it's not pumping well. It actually now has red algae growing in it, so we need to give it a really good scrub. And I thought I would take you along so you could see what I do about once a month to maintain this fountain through the whole season. Let's get to it. So as you can see here, there's some red debris. This is definitely algae that has grown on here, and all we're going to do to help with that is I have a couple of brushes, and we're just going to brush away the algae. Doesn't take much and it'll be new. This harder brush works better sometimes. Yeah, that's what we'll use. So I'll do that. I also have the automatic water filler turned off currently, so no additional water is going to be in here. So I am going to scrape some of that water out so that it can be fresh water. We need to take a look at if this upper portion of the fountain is level, because it has only been dripping off of this side, so I do have a level to take a look at that, and then we'll shim it if we need to. And then the final piece that we'll do is, you'll see in the pump here, there's quite a bit of debris, so I'm going to open up the pump, clean out the debris, and then turn everything back on. We'll be good. Now let me show you what the algicide is that I put in. Actually, every week is ideal. It's totally safe for birds to drink, so that's great. It keeps it crystal clear. It really does work. So it's the Spound Tech algicide, and I just get this on Amazon. I can link it for you. So let me just set you up and have you take a look of me working on the fountain. this thing comes off. I'm struggling for.
There you go.
Yeah.
Click it up. It's gotta be the coffee.
Yeah.
Silicone.
Okay, there you have it, Harvesting Heritage, a clean fountain, nicely dripping. We should never have let it go as long as we did without getting algicide in. You have to add that every week if you don't want to end up with a couple-hour chore like I just had. If you do it every week, then it's a once-a-season cleaning. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for coming along with me now for 2 dirty jobs. I gotta take a shower and get all of this mud off of me. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a joy-filled day.